welcome. BRICS accepted 6 new countries into the alliance in August of 2023. Now we learn that 20 more countries are in line to become BRICS members. We see on the news all the time that this country or that country is interested in joining BRICS. However, at least 20 countries have shown serious intent. The United States and countries who have an alliance to the US dollar were not that worried about BRICS, and the reason is simple. It is going to take an accounting miracle to bring all of these countries together under one currency. However, and I repeat, however, another issue has cropped up, an issue that cannot be easily dismissed. China and Saudi Arabia have signed cross-border trading agreements worth $7 billion. Now, these agreements will be paid in their local currencies. The US dollar will play no role in the currency exchange settlements until the exchange exceeds $7 billion US. But there is even a bigger issue. A total of 155 countries have signed on to China's Belt and Road Initiative and received funding for development projects. Speculations, let me repeat that. Speculations suggest that BRICS member China may soon use the BRICS effort to push the Chinese currency ahead of the U.S. in global trade. Now listen to this very carefully. By making the Chinese currency the de facto payment for the projects. There is a link in the description to MSN's entire article. This is how we know the issue is serious. It is in the mainstream news.